Hello guys, this is Akshita Shah. I am a student at SMONC and today I will be discussing with you the various frequently asked questions with IFOA and clearing all your queries. Will September examinations be conducted as per the schedule? Yes, all the examinations are going to be delivered online as per the schedule itself. How will online exams operate? So first, the students will get the access to the examination paper online on the IFOA website platform itself. They will then have to type the answers in a Word or Excel file depending on the requirement and upload it on the platform. These answer sheets will then be checked and marked by the IFOA team. After the marking is done, you will be personally notified about the examination results. How is IFOA going to manage the risk of misconduct? Well, IFOA has taken appropriate and proportionate measures to see that there is no misconduct. They have enhanced the security measures. All the examiners will be scrutinizing the answer sheets to check if there is any collusion. They will also be deploying a specialist software to check that there is no plagiarism or collusion. Is there any change in the syllabus for the online examination? Well, no. The syllabus for the exam remains exactly same. The only difference is there in the format of the exam. Joining instructions and start and end time of the examination. You will be receiving the joining instructions 2 weeks prior to the examination. The start and end time of the examination will also be mentioned along with the joining instructions. What to do if any mitigating circumstance arises? IFOA will be giving all the guidelines about mitigating circumstances before the booking in July 2020. What are the technical and software requirements for the examination? All the requirements of technicalities and softwares are mentioned on the IFOA website for every subject separately. Can you use Excel to construct your answers? Yes, you can use Excel to construct your answers, but the only condition is you need to put all the content of Excel in your final Word document which you will be submitting. What if you don't have access to the required computer equipments and softwares? Well, it is compulsory for you to have access to these computer equipments and softwares. In the other case, IFOA will not be taking any responsibility. What if your computer fails during the examination? In that case, number one, you should try to finish your examination to the best of your ability. And if you want this issue to be considered under the mitigating circumstances policy, you must keep a note of this issue and also the start and end time of this issue. You must also provide with screenshots as evidence of any issues or errors that might have occurred. What if the IFOA system fails during the examination? In that case, they will try to give an alternative immediately, but if that is not possible, then they will cancel this attempt of examination and also refund the amount of your fees. The results for core principal examinations, that is CM1 CM2, CB1 CB2 and CS1 CS2 will be declared on 15th of December 2020 and the results for other examinations will be released on 17th of December 2020. Well, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other queries, you can mention those in the comment section. Also, if you want us to put videos on any other specific topics, you can let us know through the comment section. Thank you.